A warm welcome to Fixtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions. Hi guys. Welcome to our first tutorial. Today in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can unlock the bootloader of your HTC devices. The first thing we need to do is, we have to enable developers options and then enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. So let's start. Go to your phone setting. Scroll down to About Phone. Select Software Information. Now select More. And tap Build Number 7 times. You should see a pop-up message "You're now a developer." Now head back to the main settings menu. You should now see Developers option just before the About Phone option. Open Developers options and check OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Just like that. Now open up a web browser and go to URL www.htcdev.com. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one, otherwise, just log in with your credentials. Now click on Unlock Bootloader and then click on Get Started.
Click on the drop-down menu and select your device. Once you find your desired device, select it and click Begin Unlock Bootloader. I will select HTC One M9 as I am using this phone. Just scroll down the next page and just click on Proceed to Step 5. Now turn off your phone. Press and hold volume down and power keys, until your phone enters download mode. For the next step, you need to download platform tools from the link provided in the description. Extract the zip file to the root of your PC, and open the folder from there. Open command prompt by typing cmd on folder address bar as shown in the video, and connect the phone in download mode through USB cable to PC. Type in fastboot OEM get _identifier _token, and then select the text appeared on the screen, and press enter to copy the unique identifier key for your phone.
Head back to the HTCdev page and scroll down to Step 7, and paste the unique key in the form, then remove all bootloader messages from the key. Make sure to remove all unnecessary spaces and then press Submit button. The HTCdev.com will now send an unlock_code.bin file to your registered email address. Download and place the file to the root directory of your Platform Tools folder. And then type in the command prompt fastboot /unlock token unlock_code.bin. Remember, at this point proceeding any further will wipe your phone to factory settings. You will now see a new splash screen on your device. Select Yes by pressing volume up key and use power button to execute the unlocking process. Phone will reset and will take approx 10 minutes to complete the booting process. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Fixtastic Contents for more related contents to come.